Hi guys, just think about it. Hey guys, this, ready? When you hear, hey guys, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1. Want to make it 5 inches by 5 inches by 5 inches by 5 inches. Take off, focus. What comes to your mind? Hey guys, rockets, right? Really cool rocket ships that fly into outer space, maybe going to the moon, or rovers going on Mars. Now, some of you are thinking, oh my gosh, what's this guy doing? There's no way we're going to be able to make a rocket at home. But the reality is, you can. And believe it or not, when I tell you how we're about to make a rocket, we're about to make a rocket, you can make hundreds of them. A rocket, and all I need is paper, a scissor, scotch tape, and a straw. And I'm gonna make a really awesome rocket. And I know you're saying, wait a minute, but it's not gonna be able to fly. Oh no, it will fly, and it will fly high into the sky. Maybe. Ready? Check this out. Step 1, hey guys.
Regular paper.
Computer paper, okay? And the fun part of this is, hey guys, and we'll get into this a little later, is you could change your rocket to try to get it to travel further. But I'm gonna start with the basic, hey guys, okay? And I'm gonna make my rocket 5 inches high. Now, to make it easy, you wanna create a square.
And if you all know that squares have 4 equal sides.
So you want to make it 5 inches by 5 inches by 5 inches by 5 inches. And this came in. It's my guys, fast 5-inch square. I'm going to make the template of my rocket. Now I'm going to need to make a circle, which will eventually be the pointy cone. And think about it, a cup, put it down, part. And think about it, a cup, put it down, trace your circle. And 3, 2, 1, that's done. Now I'm gonna make the wings to my rocket. And what I'm gonna do is create a triangle that's gonna be 2 inches by 1 inch. Just connect the dots. My wings are done. How simple is that, okay? So, I'm gonna make 2 inches by
1 inch.
And just connect the 2 corners, and here we go. And I'm gonna do it twice so that my rocket will have a pair of wings. And the wings are going to be needed to help cut through the air. Okay. You want your rocket to be really aerodynamic. You want it to be able to cut through the air really fast. The more aerodynamic it is, the further it's going to go. And now, hey guys, fast, maybe. This is all I need, guys, fast, to make my rocket. I'm telling you, this is all I need, guys, fast, fly 30 feet, maybe. Ready? Next step, hey guys, fast, cut out fast. If you're not good at cutting, take your time, but you really want your, hey guys, fast, to have a nice body. So I cut out fast. And this, I would say, is probably the hardest part. Because I'm going to have to fold now. And if you fold it and you're holding it, how are you going to cut out fast? If you were an octopus with 8 hands, it would be okay. But you're not an octopus with 8 hands. So what I'm going to do is pre-cut this. Now, my pencil. Take my pencil. I'm going to take my paper. And I'm going to wrap fast the paper around the pencil. Hey guys, fast. So tightly that the pencil is going to be stuck inside. Hey guys, fast. Ready? Take and roll. Roll it all around. You have this. Hey guys, take, doesn't want to fall out. So tightly that 5-inch take is going to be stuck inside. Hey guys, but there's hardly any friction. Twist it. 2 smooth surfaces, not a lot of friction. It comes out. Make your body even. Take a piece of butt. Tape 1. Tape 2. And
Tape 3.
I now made the body to my guys fast. Okay, kind of looks like a straw. Spitball, no, not a spitball, don't do it. Body to my guys fast. Now, I'm gonna make the cone. But I'm gonna make a little dot in the center of my circle. And I'm just gonna make a little triangle, okay? Sort of like a piece of the guy's fast. Maybe 1/8 the size of the guy's take, okay? Now I'm gonna cut out the take circle. Actually, I kind of lied. I said that making the cylinder or the body of the rocket was probably the hardest part. I think the guy's take, this is gonna be the hardest part, okay? But if you watch, you'll be able to do it. Now, I'm gonna take the guy's fast and cut out the piece of the guy's take pie. I do not need guy's fast. Need guy's take. And now watch what I'm about to do. Twist it, twist it, twist it. I'm gonna take it, okay? And twist it, twist it, twist it. I'm gonna make a cone.
Either pointy cone.
Pointy cone. I'm gonna put this down, put this down. Right now it kind of looks like a teepee or a really cool hat. But I'm gonna take this guy's take and I'm just gonna twirl it and keep twirling it around my
Fingers.
Keep twirling it and you keep doing it until eventually it just gets really hard, so tight around your finger, so tightly that the pencil is gonna be stuck inside. Hey guys, fast. That it became a really cool, tight, hey guys, fast. Now I'm gonna take a piece of tape and tape it down. Now it kind of looks like an ice cream cone. What would you
Do if mommy gave you a take on a cone like that.
right? You wouldn't want it. So now I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna put it
On top.
but it just looks a little too
Flimsy.
I made it a little too big, guys. Take, if that happens, just cut a small piece like this. Put it on top. Put it on top. Put it on top. Now think about how pointy, guys, take this is. This will cut through the guys fast. Okay, the way I take, I can cut through butt. And now I'm gonna tape this down. Now, take it and tape. And my rocket is almost done. Tape both sides, and then what I would do is actually test this, okay? You wanna make sure that your guys fast is airtight. Take doesn't wanna fall out so tightly that, is gonna be stuck inside. So, just blow into guys fast, twip. No air, your rocket's almost done. Now I'm gonna add my, okay? Now the cool part about this experiment is, if you're not happy with how far your guys take rocket went, or if you're not happy with how high your guys fast rocket went, the beauty of science is, okay, you can change things. You can change how big take it is. You could change the fast shape. Maybe make a square fast. You could change the wing size. You could change the wing fast. There are so many variables that you can change to try to get the rocket to go further. You'll be here for hours making fast. But now I'm gonna add my take wings, and you still have no fast. You still have no clue as to how we're gonna get this rocket to fly. But watch. Add my wing one. Add my wing. Fast. Wing number 2. And now, my rocket is ready for liftoff. Watch. Straw. This would be my rocket holder. And let's do a countdown and watch it take off. Ready? Count with me. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, take off! Did you really expect it to take off? It can't take off. What does it need? It needs a force. Everything on Earth that moves needs a force. Now some of you are saying, oh man, we don't have an engine. But you do. Your lungs. Check this out. Look at my chest. Breathe the air out. Your lungs get smaller. But the more air you put, the more power you give your rocket ship. The more air you put, I'm gonna blow all of the air out of my mouth into the straw is going to hit the rocket. The air cannot escape. It's going to create so much pressure. The air is going to have to find a way out, and your rocket is going to fly. But now these are really pointy, okay? Extremely pointy. You don't want to do this at home. You can have your little brother and sister running around and you can poke them. So you got to make sure that no one's around, or you can make sure you do this outside, but you can test it. Watch. Put it in. Vary the force. Small force. Let's see how far it goes. Maybe I'll just shoot it up first so you guys can see a small force. Ready? Boink. And if you did a harder force, it could actually move across the room. Ready? And if you go outside, you can just challenge yourself. Every time you do it, put a marker on the floor, okay? And you can say, wow, and you can measure it. Measure it in your feet size, 1 feet, 2 feet. It went 10 of my shoe sizes, okay? Then you say to yourself, wow, man, it only went 15 shoe sizes. I really wanted it to go 30. Well, go back home. Change one thing on your rocket. Maybe you can make it smaller. Maybe if it's smaller, it weighs less. I'm not gonna tell you what makes the rocket go further. That's the science. You ask a question, make your prediction, you test it, and then you get your results and see what happened. And that's our awesome paper rocket.